Welcome to CloudByte Labs. In today's session, we will dive into a hands-on cloud project that bridges theory and real-world application. We are going to develop a text narrator using Polly. Let's explore Amazon Polly first. This is a text narrator, and a piece of text will be uploaded in an Amazon S3 bucket and converted to speech. Okay, you can choose whoever you want here. For example, Joanna, and you can choose languages: English, USA. Okay, this is our text-to-speech program called Amazon Polly. Okay. We will try to access to Amazon Polly service and store the audio output in an S3 bucket using a lambda function. First, we need an IAM role with suitable policies attached to it. Let's go to IAM. Okay, roles, create a role, select AWS service, lambda, next. From the list of permission policies, choose the following policies: Amazon Polly full access, Amazon S3 full access, and AWS Lambda. Basic execution role. Ticket. And next. Let's give a name. Let's say Polly translation role. This is our role name. Let's write a description. Lambda function. Function. Execution role. For TTS translation. Create a role. Okay. Now we should create an S3 bucket. Let's type S3. Okay, create a bucket. It's a general purpose bucket. Let's give a bucket name. My Polly Q, for example. Okay. Our audio files generated by Amazon Polly would be stored in this bucket with the help of AWS Lambda. Create a bucket. Okay. Our bucket is ready. My Polly queue. Of course, you can find another name, a better name. Okay, now it's time to create a lambda function. Lambda. Yes. Now create function. Okay, function name. You can add different names. I will say TTS translator, sorry. Function. Okay, you can choose runtime nodes. I will choose 20x. Use an existing role because, as you know, we had an existing role as I am, and it was Polly translation role. Translation role, yes. Create function. Okay, now it's an important section because we are going to put JSON codes. Let's change the name of this section. It says index MJS. Let's rename it. It should be index.js. Okay, index.js. Let's delete this section and we will copy and paste our JSON codes. Yeah, these are codes. There's an important thing that we should do. We must type here our bucket name correctly. My Polly queue. Okay, my Polly queue. Okay, this is important. Let's deploy it. Yeah, it's successful. Let's check it again. My Polly queue. Now we need to test our lambda function by creating new test events. Okay, let's give it a name. My tests, for example. Save it first. Okay, my tests. Okay, let's delete these things and we need to copy our JSON. Okay, here you see Shakespeare's quotes. All the rest is stage. Now we want these quotes to be told by Amazon Polly. Okay, it is going to be a sound file, a voice file. Okay, this is our JSON. Let's test it. Test event is saved successfully. Okay. Let's check our S3 buckets. It's loading. It's loading objects. Okay, this is our audio file. Let's download it. Okay, and listen to the audio file.
All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts.
Okay. Now we can access the audio file by checking it in the previously created S3 bucket and downloading it. And as you see, this is the audio file that we wrote in a JSON
All
code.
the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts.
This is the end of our tutorial. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.